In today's guide video of how to guide, let me show you the process of logging in to your Mr. Cooper account. If you have a mortgage related to Mr. Cooper, let me show you the quick process of logging in. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end and let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up your web browser and search for mrcooper.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you're on the website of Mr. Cooper, you can see a sign in button on the top right of the screen. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the sign in section. Now firstly, in this box, you need to type in the username that you created while signing up. And similarly, in the second box, also type in the password. If you have forgotten the username of your account, you can click on the forgot username link. And if you have forgotten the password, click on the forgot your password link. Through this section, to recover your username, you need to type in your social security number, your property zip code, and your last number. To recover your password, type in your username and your social security number. Once you recovered both of your credentials, you can now click on sign in and you'll be immediately signed in to your Mr. Cooper mortgage account. So that's all it takes to logging in to your Mr. Cooper mortgage account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we post. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.